everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to use Asana for team management. So all you have to do is to simply create a project. Let's just say I am going to add a project here. So you just have to tap the plus icon, click blank project, and then type the project name here. For example, YouTube channel, and then select a layout below. And then all you have to do now is to simply click continue once you selected a layout. So we have here list, board, timeline, and calendar. Okay, so I'll choose list and then click continue. So you just have to skip this one or tap X. Okay, so if you're going to click your project here, you are now about to start a Asana for team management. So first you have to look or assign a task for your team. Okay, for example, here I have first task, which is research and plan. Number two, we have prepare the equipment. Number three, we have edit and enhance the footage. And number four, we have optimize video description and tags. So these are my tasks, and I'm about to assign this to my team, each of my team here. So to assign, you just have to tap the task or the task name. Okay, let's just say, for example, I want to assign this research and plan to Rain. So you just have to tap the email address. For due date, you just have to select the date. Of course, this task should be submitted or done. Okay, for add to projects, you just have to add something here, something that this person will take note. Let's just say you want this research and plan more enticing or something captivating. So this person will look for a topic that is something captivating, of course. Okay, and then after that, you can go to this description. You can write description here about your task. Let's just say the description is all about research popular nature topics, and the further information can be read here. Explore popular nature related YouTube channels, something like that. And you can even add subtask if you want. Okay, now you can just edit this fonts, words, style, you can edit here. And you can even add link if you want. You just have to tap this one and then add URL from YouTube or from other sites. Now, if you don't want to type all the instruction here in description, you can simply record or screen record everything. Don't need to type. Okay, so all you have to do is to tap this one, click allow, and choose how are you going to explain this description. If it's screen, camera, or both. Now select any options here for the microphone and cam, and then click start recording. Okay, so once you click this one, your teammate will probably see your tutorial or your description, your instruction using the screen recording. So you just have to screen record everything here and explain to them the description and whatever it is. And then once you're done, all you have to do is, click the stop recording. Now you can edit the name here or the title of this screen record. Okay, so let's just say instruction. Instruction number one, two, it's up to you. Now tap add video. Okay, so your teammate or the assignee will probably see the video and will follow the instruction. So no need to type, no need to, make a video. All you have to do is just simply screen record everything in order for them to follow your instruction or to read or to know the description. Okay, you can add subtask here. Let's just say watch and take note, something like that. Okay, and then for this box below, you can ask them to write or leave some feedback after they watch this description. Now, the person or the assignee will be notified any changes here. Okay, so probably he or she can see that message in his or her email address that you, the owner or the leader of this project, have assigned a task or have made some changes in the task. Okay, and then that's it. Now, the next thing to do here is to, now if this task is complete, then you can simply tap complete or mark it as complete. Now, if you just forgot some task and you want to add some tasks, you just simply tap this one, add task here. Like you want, after optimizing the video, you want to have this analyze your engagement or viewer engagement and feedback. So you want to assign this to another member. Let's just say Matthew. Due date, you can adjust the date here. And then same, you would do the same thing. For the description, you can type the description here, or you can do the same thing earlier that you record or your screen record everything so that it would be easier for them to understand everything. Okay. And then here you can add subtopic or subtask. Okay. But before that, you can also leave something here in the box. Like you can say, leave some feedback, and then the assignee or the person will probably see the changes here, the assigned topics. Okay, so once you click this comment. Also, like what I've said earlier, you can simply edit everything here if you wanted to leave this description as text, or if you want to screen record for them to easily understand your description instruction, and then mark as incomplete if this task has been completed. Okay, so if you want to see your test, then you can go here and you can probably see your test, but I haven't assigned a task to myself, so I can't see that. Okay, but my members will see their tasking once they tap this My Task. Okay, that's it. Now, if you want to go to inbox, you can see there the messages or any other informations. Okay, for reporting, you can see how teamwork from every angle, and then portfolio also, you can see it here, picture with portfolios, goal. In order for you to set a goal, let's just say you wanted your team to see your main goal, and that is to reach 1 million subscribers, something like that, or everything is up to you. You can simply type it here and then just tap save goal. Okay. Actually, you can edit everything here. And then anyways, below here, you can just simply follow what I'm doing right now. Okay, target value. Okay, you can set the same as above, or you can type any goal or numbers you want. Okay, so that's it. Now, if you want to assign another task, you can do the same thing. Assign this to the person, due date, set the date, okay, for a description or for any other thing here, you can simply tap this one and then, for example, for description, you can do the same thing or you can leave it behind. Now, let's just say you want to add subtask. Actually, for one task, if you're going to assign this task to another person, you can also add subtask. So that means from one task, you can assign subtasks to another or other members here, like what I'm doing right now. Okay, so the main task is given to this person, but the other subtask is given to other members. As simple as that. Okay, so once done, you can leave a feedback here or comment here, and then mark it as complete if this person has completed this task. Okay, so that's how easy it is to use Asana. And I do really hope this video helped you, and it's just a basic way on how to use Asana for team management. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.